back, everybody. I'm Scott with Off Grid Stoves and More. I'm here today to share with you an incredible deal that we have going on the last 3 Traverse non-electric off-grid pellet stoves in our inventory. We're trying to make room. This is our overflow for our stoves, and we have brand new models that are coming in, and we have to make room. So we are doing a once-in-a-lifetime deal on this incredible stove. $1,200 off. They're regularly $36.99. We've got them on sale for $24.99. Also, with this, you get a fresh air kit that hooks up to it, and you also get a eco fan that sits on the top and then helps move air. Since this is a non-electric stove, any type of eco fan or ceiling fan or fan of your choice in order to help move the hot air away from the stove is going to help the efficiency. Now, this stove is designed to heat up to 2,000 square feet, but you have to remember it all has to do with air movement, okay? If you have this stuffed away in a small little section of your home and it only has one small little doorway to get out to the rest of the home, it's not necessarily going to be that efficient. But if you do have air movement, it will increase the square footage. This wonderful unit, since it does not have electricity, there is no overhead to run it other than the premium pellets that you're going to need in order to operate it. This stove is got a very small footprint, approximately 19 wide, 24 deep, and approximately 45 inches tall. It's got a 6-inch exhaust port on it to hook up to a regular stove chimney system, which is normally 6-inch, but it does have to be a 6-inch system in order to operate this. For you out there that have 7 and 8-inch chimney systems, it's not going to work for you due to the fact that this stove was designed to have a particular exhaust system, and the chimney must be a minimum of 12 feet. Due to the fact that this stove operates off of a natural draw, which then brings outside air into the stove, and again, we give you the fresh air kit. Now, this stove, because it does use premium pellets, that all has to do with how many BTUs, British therm units, you're going to get out of it for the heat efficiency. So you're going to want to always use an upper end pellet product and stay away from the garbage pellets out there, the pulp and all of those, which you shouldn't use in any pellet stove anyhow. The Breckwell Traverse here has a safety feature on it that if by chance it begins to run out of fuel, or if it overheats for any reason, it's got a hopper device that is heat sensitive, that will close and it will shut the stove down. So it is an extremely safe stove. The clearances on the stove are just like any other pellet stove. It's going to determine on what type of pipe you have. Interior pipe, as in single wall or double wall. Single wall, you have to have 18 inches of clearance to combustibles. Double wall, you have to have 6 inches of clearance to combustibles. Okay, it does just need to be on a amber-proof hearth pad, not a type 2, so it can go on to, say, one of our custom hearth pads that are steel, that you can have made any size that you want. There really isn't any moving parts, so you don't have to worry about fans and motors and electronics going out on it, which makes it very nice. The main thing, because this is an off-grid system, it means that if you live in the country but you have access to pellets, but you lose electricity a lot, say in a winter state, which we call a state that has a lot of snow, a lot of high winds to where you lose power a lot, you don't have to worry that if for some reason your utilities get shut off, you're not going to have any worries. So this stove here has a warranty of 3 years on the body, and the major components, it's got 1 year on the fire brick on the inside, which realistically you don't have to really worry about it, because it's unlike a wood stove where you're throwing big chunks of wood in and you're slamming on the fire brick. This here is just basically for heat protection. So you don't have to, you know, swap out the typical fire brick or any type of catalytic converter and so forth. This stove is EPA approved for the US, and it's approved for mobile homes, which again, whenever you install anything in a mobile home, you have to have outside air and the unit has to be bolted down to the floor. So if you would like to save $1,200 on one of the best off-grid stoves that you do not have to have electric, with the additional gifts of the Eco Fan or the 4-inch fresh air kit, email us at offgridstoves@gmail.com or give us a call. This time of year, this is our busy season. This is the winter months when I'm making this. It'll take us up to 24 hours to return your call at 800-348-1021. Can't offer a better deal than this, guys. If you're looking for a stove that'll heat up to 2,000 square feet, this is it. Hey guys, one last thing. This stove being $1,200 off, we only have 3 of them left. This unit here, we are going to make a video, which is coming soon, of it operating. So because this is going to be a burn unit, 1 fire in it just for the video, we're probably going to take another $200 off. So if interested, email us at offgridstoves@gmail.com. Also hit the subscribe button, due to the fact that we are going to start putting all of our sales online with videos for now on until they are gone. So if this video is still up, that means there's at least 1 left. That works with any other products that we sell: wood, gas, pellet stoves, wood cook ovens. Best deal on wood cook ovens is through Off-Grid Stoves and More. Trust me, nobody beats our prices. We carry J.A. Roby, Nectar, and Hiko. Go on our website at offgridstovesanmore.com and take a look. You guys stay safe out there. Peace.